lead generation landing pages make it easy for visitors to learn more about your business and join your mailing list. In this short video, we'll show you everything you need to know. To get started, click Create and then click Landing Page. From here, you can start building. Click Content to add a logo, change the headline, edit the description, change the text on the button, and also edit your thank you page. As you edit the fields here, your changes will be reflected in real time on the right. Click Thank You Page to see what your thank you page looks like. Click Design to change the look and feel of your page. For the outer background, you can either use a solid color or add a background image. You can also change the inner background color. Customize your font size, font color, and color of your button. Click Contact Fields to choose what information you want to collect from your contacts. Email address is required by default, but we also recommend you collect some other information from your contacts. At the very least, first and last name are a good start, but if you're interested in sending more relevant content to your customers using segmentation, we recommend selecting a few more pieces of information. Click Settings to choose what list you want new contacts to be added to. Just click the drop-down and select the list you want. Here, you can also customize your landing page URL. Consider using some sort of identifier for your business. For example, if you're using this landing page as your main sign-up form, put your business name here. This will make your URL look more professional and familiar to new contacts. When you're finished customizing your landing page, click Publish. With your landing page finished, this is where you can see how it's doing. Share your landing page on social media pages using these icons here. Alternatively, you can also copy your landing page URL and share it anywhere you communicate with your contacts. Once leads start rolling in, you'll be able to see the reporting here as well. You can see how many unique visits you've had, who subscribed, and your conversion rate. You can also see how many new contacts you've received, as well as how many updated their information in your account. Landing pages are a great way to gather new leads or update your existing ones, and they're available now, right in your Constant Contact account.